derivative of 5x raised to 5 plus 7x plus 3. 5x raised to 5 plus 7x plus 3 with respect to x. Okay? But we have d by dx of this function, that is 5x raised to 5 plus 7x plus 3. Okay? Using linearity property, that is equal to 5 into d by dx of x raised to 5. Okay? X raised to 5 plus 7 into d by dx of x. D by dx of x. Okay? Plus d by dx of constant 3. D by dx of 3. We know that d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. So we write 5 into d by dx of x raised to 5. We know that d by dx of x raised to n is equal to n into x raised to n minus 1. ഇവിടെ n ന്റെ സ്ഥാനത്ത് 5 ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എങ്ങനെ എഴുതാൻ പറ്റും? So we write 5 into x raised to n minus 1, that is 5 minus 1. X raised to 5 minus 1 എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ 4 ആണ്. Plus 7 into d by dx of x is 1. Okay? Plus d by dx of a constant 3 is 0. So we write 0 here. So we get this is equal to 5 into 5, 25, x raised to 4 plus 7 into 1, that is 7. Now we get d by dx of 5x raised to 5 plus 7x plus 3 is equal to 25x raised to 4 plus 7. Clear? Next problem. Find the derivative of 7 sin x plus 3 tan x minus cos x. 7 sin x plus 3 tan x minus cos x with respect to x. Okay? So we write it as d by dx of 7 sin x plus 3 tan x minus cos x. Okay? Using linearity property, we write it as this is equal to 7 into d by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x. Okay? Plus 3 into d by dx of tan x. D by dx of tan x. Okay? Minus d by dx of cos x. D by dx of cos x. That is equal to 7 into d by dx of sin x. നമുക്കറിയാം d by dx of sin x എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ളത് cos x ആണ് പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. So we write d by dx of sin x is equal to here cos x plus 3 into d by dx of tan x നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് sec square x ആണ്. So we substitute here sec square x. Okay? Minus d by dx of cos x. നമുക്കറിയാം d by dx of cos x എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ minus sin x ആണ്. So we write here minus sin x. This minus becomes is positive sin x. Okay? Now we get 7 cos x, okay, plus 3 sec square x plus sin x. Clear? Question. Find the derivative of 2x plus 5 with respect to x. Find the derivative of 2x plus 5 with respect to x. Here we have to find the derivative of the function 2x plus 5 with respect to x. So we write 2 into, okay, d by dx of x. That is d by dx of the function x. Okay? Plus d by dx of 5. D by dx of 5. That is equal to 2 into dx by dx. We know that dx by dx is equal to 1. So we write here 1. Okay? Plus d by dx of 5. നമുക്കറിയാം constant derivative is 0. So we write d by dx of 5 is equal to 0. That is equal to, we get 2 into 1, 2 plus 0, that is 2. Now we get d by dx of 2x plus 5 is equal to 2. Clear? Next problem. Find the derivative of 3 root x plus 1. 3 root x plus 1 with respect to x. അതായത് നമുക്ക് കാണേണ്ടത് d by dx of this function, that is 3 root x plus 1. Okay? So we write this is equal to, using linearity property we write 3 into, okay, 3 into d by dx of root x. D by dx of root x. Okay? Then plus, next d by dx of 1. that is equal to, we write 3 into, we know that d by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Okay, 1 by 2 root x plus d by dx of constant 1 is 0. So we write it as 3 divided by 2 root x. Okay, now we get d by dx of 3 root x plus 1 is equal to 3 by 2 root x. Okay, next problem, find the derivative of 9 log x ln x plus 7x with respect to x. Find the derivative of 9 log x, natural log x, okay, plus 7x with respect to x. ഇവിടെ നമുക്ക് കാണുന്നത് d by dx of 9 log x plus 7x. Okay, using linearity property we can write it as, first we take 9 into d by dx of log x, d by dx of log x. Okay, then plus 7 into d by dx of x, 7 into d by dx of x. Okay, that is equal to 9 into d by dx of log x നമുക്കറിയാം 1 by x ആണ്. So we write here 1 by x plus 7 into d by dx of x is 1. Okay, that is 9 by x plus 7. Now we get d by dx of 9 log x plus 7x is equal to 9 by x plus 7. Okay.